Okay, what's up everybody? Right now I am standing right where our Conex is gonna go. You can get a little bit of a background. This is just where the Conex is gonna be our main storage for living in the trailer. And then we're gonna probably build out a little area for like a shed in the front of it. It's probably gonna work best for us, like gardening shed kind of sort of thing. Here it is. Got lots of space. Just gonna be a 20-foot, so there's gonna be more than enough space for it. But we're gonna end up leveling it, at least in some point, adding some gravel to lay down, just to set it on so it doesn't end up sinking into the dirt. And then we'll go and check out where we're putting the camper. All right, so we got gravel, big load of gravel. We have to spread out, somewhere in that area. So way better at a time. We're just gonna slowly fill it out and see how it goes. There it is, Conex, getting delivered. Right now, I'm gonna get it dropped, and then we'll have storage. There it is. Nice 20-foot Conex. Looks pretty good. All right, got the Conex storage space figuring it out. Got the bracing, as you can see across. A couple more boards to do. Need a second hand. Otherwise, got most of the arbor up there. The only other things that are going up there are the 2 bunk beds for the girls. And then anything else that can really fit that's long. Oh, it's not in our way down on the bottom. And then we'll build some yellow tote racks for either side, and that'll leave the front half of this pretty much for a shed area. That'll be the goal.